Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, we expect the week to kick off slowly as a lack of statistics hit the market, but there may be a few trading opportunities during the Asian session with the release of the industrial production figures from Japan. On Tuesday, we expect an action-packed day starting with the Asian session with the release of the latest minutes meeting from the Reserve Bank of Australia. In his latest speech, Glenn Stevens noted that the Australian economy was improving, but with an iron ore below $40, he may have to rethink his words, and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. In the European session, the market will await industrial production figures from Great Britain, with volatility expected in the British pound. In the American session, we'll see the latest consumer price index figures, which stand at 1.9% and are just below the US Fed's target rate of 2%. The question is now not when the Fed will raise rates, but how often, and this may help them to decide on the outcome. On Wednesday, although we have important data from Asia and Europe, the focus will be on the American session with the latest release of the interest rate decision from the US Federal Reserve. Although the market is expecting a lift in interest rates, the following monetary statement will be closely monitored for hints of further increases, and we expect this to be one of the most volatile days of the year for all currencies. On Thursday, we expect some consolidation in the markets as traders digest the Fed's interest rate decision, but there may be some trading opportunities in the New Zealand dollar with the release of the latest GDP figures. In the European session, we'll see the retail sales figures from Great Britain, which came in at 0.6% last month, and another poor number may see the British pound come under pressure. On Friday during the Asian session, we'll see the latest interest rate decision from the Bank of Japan, followed by a monetary press conference, which will be of particular interest as inflation figures last week came in slightly above expectations, which was a boost for the Japanese economy. In the American session, the market will await the latest consumer price index figures from Canada. These figures came in at 0.2% last month, which was slightly less than the previous month of 0.3%, and another disappointing number may see the Canadian dollar suffer. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.